there again. It's so good to see you. Welcome back to Museum Wonders Workshop. Come on in. I've got some interesting things to show you today. Today we're going to start with looking at what we call wet specimen. A wet specimen is something that would be an insect or a rodent or anything that would need to be put into alcohol or a formaldehyde solution. So today I was going to show you some wet specimens. On a side note, I hope this does not offend anyone. These animals died naturally. I did not kill anything in order to have a specimen. I don't believe in harming anything, but if it dies, I want to use it for science. So, as we look down here, here's a rat, and I will be taxiderming some of these. And here's a lizard. That's a hamster. I knew someone who had worked in a pet shop, so when they had animals die, they would bring it to me, and I would use the animals to show people some what some things look like that people have never seen. Some people have actually never seen a rat or a baby mouse. So my goal is to show those kind of things. I'm not going to do a real long video on this because I know that for some people it really does bother them, and I do not want to turn anybody away from science because I showed them something that was not very pleasing to them. Here are some more items that I have created and that are for sale on museumwonders.com. Lots of really cool things. And as I said, you can find them on museumwonders.com. For now, Museum Wonders is signing out.